Hey guys, Ben from Sados. We're just going to run through air filter maintenance on your motorcycle. Step 1, remove the air filter. Remove it from the cage. So now we need to clean the air filter. There's a few products you can use. You can use Terps or a specialised cleaner like Motorex or Motec. We're going to use the Motorex one today. Just submerge it, give it a good clean out. Give it a squeeze, do not wring it out because you'll cause damage to the air filter. Just squeeze out as much as you can. Then we rinse out the residue with some clean water. You can just hang it up, or you can put on a fan to speed up the process to dry the air filter out before we oil it. So what we want to do when oiling it, you want to have a bucket full of oil so you can fully submerge the air filter to make sure every inch of that filter has oil on it. Once again, just squeeze as much oil as you can out. You can never squeeze out too much once you've submerged the whole thing. Massage it all the way through. Give another wring out. Now we know every bit of that air filter has oil on it. So we want to hang that up again, or hang it on a fan again to speed up the process, just so we can let the air filter oil tack off. Just wipe out the external of the airbox, make sure there's no dirt or anything like that. It's going to go in. It's all nice and clean. Check it back on the cage. So the new style air filters on the KTMs are really easy to put in. You've got a pin up the top, push it in, look in the bottom pin, but it's always a good idea to run your hands around the outside of the filter to make sure there's no gaps between the filter and the boot. That's it. Cover back on. All right, that's how easy it is to clean an air filter. You want to do that every ride to make sure your engine's going to last a lot longer. Keep your intake tract nice and clean because dirt's really bad for your motor, so you don't want it in there at all.